Hello, good morning once again. It's Richard Prayer. Today is 7th June 2022. Please, thank you very much. Thank you very, very much to those who wished me well yesterday, those who remembered me in their prayers, and those who remember me in general. Thank you very much for remembering me in your prayers and everything. I really thank you. And I really appreciate it. I really appreciate all the wishes that trooping yesterday. Thank you very much. And today I have some waiting plan, a plan that I've waited for so long. I've waited for it for so long, and now it has set, but a little bit confusing. But I want you to just pay a closer attention to it, and then you will understand. It's just a simple plan, but very difficult a little bit. So I want you to pay a closer attention to it. It's in the Lucky Tuesday itself. You're supposed to play three numbers. So let's go to it and see how it is. This in 2010. Watch here carefully. 2010 at event 15. At event 154. 79-24 play close, first and second. Then he play 14 at last position. They're supposed to play three numbers, so that is the beginning of everything. The three numbers. 79, and then to give us the 24, and then the 14. The second one will go to machine. So following week you will see 18. Following week, single 7. Following week, 11. 4 weeks down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the single 7 will come back. Following week, 78. After the 78 played, I bet you if you count from here, it's 20 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, let me not disturb you. It's 20 weeks down from there, from here to here. 20 weeks down. Or let me count it. From the event 161 to 180 is 20 weeks down. So the 78 will go to machine. That 78 will come to machine, and then the 76 will play at winning. If you want me to count it or check it for you, you will notice the 78. From the 78, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's 20 weeks down. On to 180, went to 180. Then the 76 will play. So after 76 playing, you count 4 weeks down. It's supposed to be 4 weeks down, but let's count 5 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the 64 will play. You see this 64 will play, and then put 13 machine. So following week, the two numbers, that is the 79-24, that is what I was waiting for. We'll come and play 79-24, too sure. Then the 79 will key to 56 and play at the last position to give us the three numbers, because I told you the opening of the beginning of the plan is supposed to play 3. So 79-24, then you put 14 at the last position. 14 usually plays with the 79, so and to play with the 79. Then but if you come to the ending of the plan, the same two numbers will come as your two shot, 79-24. Then the 79 will key 56 and play at last. So you see this 13 will come and log the event over here. So meaning if the plan drop today, still has continuation. So that two show supposed to come here and play 79-24. Then the 79 will keep 56. The only thing that is a little bit confusing on the event is you're supposed to have played the 67 with the 64. Then you play 38 first. By 10 them. Then the 67 is rather at the top of the 38 instead of the 38 being at top of the 67. 67 rather is at top of it, but it maintained the actual numbers that is using to play the numbers. That is 64, 13 in machine to play the three numbers 1, 2, 3, 79, 24, and then 56. Okay, let's go to current. You understand me very soon. Let's go to current. At how do you call it? At event 740. At event 740, you still see the same 24.79. Close, first and second. 24.79. Then you see the 14 at last position. Then you put single one in machine. Following week 18. Following week single 7. Following week 11. Then 4 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the single 7 will come back after the single 7 playing. Then our 78. Then if you count 20 weeks down from the 78, 20 weeks down, let me count it simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 money. Excuse me. At event 747, 78 drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 weeks down, you will see the 76 at winning. Then the 78 will go to machine. So after playing in machine, you count from the 76, 5 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the 64 will play and then put the 13 in machine. So as 13 go to machine, it's the same thing over there. 13 goes to machine, then this 24.79 supposed to come straight to give us our two show for today. That is 24.79. Then because it's supposed to play 3 numbers, then the 79 will key 56 to give us the 3 numbers. So the event I'm using for today is this particular event in 2010. I'm going over it again. I say event 154, 79-24 play close. Then they played 14 at the last position. Then single one machine. Following week 18, following week single 7, following week 11. 4 weeks down, single 7 will come back. Then following week, then you play you 78. When you count from the 78, 20 weeks down, you come and see 76 winning. Then the 78 will go to machine. So you count 4 weeks, 5 weeks down, you will see 64. Then the 13 will go to machine. So following week, the 2 numbers that we saw, that is 79-24, will come and give you your 2 shot. Then the 79 will key 56 to give us the 3rd number. So 79-24, 56 becomes our best 3 for today. But just tend this number just to confuse the plan a little bit. That's why 67 now supposed to be at the top and then play the 38 under it. It turned them over here. It turned everything over here at current here. As you can see the plan, the same thing 24.79 because it turned them over there. 79 at first position and then 24 at second, but it's the same thing. So 14 at the last, and then they put the single one machine. Following week 18, following week single 7, following week 11, 4 weeks down, single 7 will come back. Then following week 78, so 20 weeks down. Then you see the 76, and then the 78 will go to machine. Then 5 weeks down, you see our 64, and then the 13 machine. So what I'm talking about here